Today I will show you all the different type of chickens that are alive in the world. So you will tell me the name of the country and I will tell you the attitude of the chicken. Okay, so let's start. What's the first country?
Indian.
It's an Indian chicken. The Indian chickens be like. That's an Indian chicken. What's next?
American.
Next is the American chicken. The American chicken be like. What's the next chicken?
Chinese.
We have the Chinese chicken. That's the Chinese chicken. What's next?
African.
African chicken. What's the next chicken?
Mexican.
Mexican chicken. Next chicken.
Arabian.
We have the Arabian chicken. What's the next chicken?
Spain.
We have the Spain chicken. What's the next chicken? The end. So those are all the chickens that are alive in the world. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.